So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to send USDT from Binance to Binance. So first step, after you open your Binance app, go to Asset. After you go to Asset, so from the Asset section, now you have three options. So the first one is Funding, and the second one is Spot, and the third one is Future. So now you can just look at the balance and find where your USDT is located. So my USDT is located in this Funding. I'll just select the Funding. So now here is the USDT. Select the USDT. After you select the USDT, the next thing to do, go to the Send button. So now go to the Send to Binance user. So from this option, now you have two options. So the first one now is email address, this one. So now you can send the USDT via the email address or phone number of the receiver. So make sure the person that you want to send him the USDT, he send you his email address or phone number, or ask the person to send you his like Binance ID. So if you are using Binance ID, click on this option. If you are using the person phone number or email address, just click on this option. For this video, I'll use the Binance ID. I'll select this one. So now tap on this option and paste in the address. I'll just long and hold. So now here is the Binance ID. After you paste in the Binance ID, you just click on the continue button. So after you paste in the Binance ID of the receiver, now you click on continue. So here it will ask you to type in the amount. So I'll just type in like, let's say 20, or let's say I want to send him just 0.2. So after I type in the amount like this, so now if I click on this continue button, now it will send the USDT. Let's say I want to send him like 0.1. You can just type in any amount. So because now I only have 0.4 of USDT, so now I will send him 0.1. Tap on continue. So after I tap on continue, so here is the option. So now if I tap on this confirm button, now this amount of USDT will be sent to this person that sent him his, to this person as can send out to this address. So here is the ID of the person and here is his username. So that's it guys on how to send USDT Binance to Binance. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.